And we're thinking of everyone who's participating in the plunge, the super plunge. All the snow should wait until after that event is done. And then next week, it's going to be really cold for all the main events. So you'll see that in the 7-day forecast. The big focus is on the winter storm that's arriving Saturday night, lasting through Sunday into Sunday night. It's going to start as snow and turn really heavy, but then change over to some ice in the afternoon and evening. And then it stays really cold starting this weekend, but through next week. And that makes it even harder to dig out from all the snow. So here's how much we're thinking could fall across the Baltimore area by late Sunday night. The higher numbers in the north and west suburbs where it's going to be colder. So not only will the snow be fluffier there, but also that snow could last longer and may not change as much to ice. You're going to get less snow where you get more ice, but ice is still a problem. So we're still expecting a significant snow around Baltimore where it could be 9 to 10 inches of snow, but that area could also then see some ice accumulation after that. And then a little bit less to areas like Annapolis, and then even more so in southern Maryland and the lower eastern shore. But still 3 to 5 inches of snow around Salisbury and Cambridge before they could get some freezing rain and even some plain old rain. So let me show you the transition coming up here in the Futurecast. So this snow is going to start after about 11 p.m. on Saturday night, but it really starts picking up around Sunday 4 a.m. and quickly it starts to accumulate. So you're seeing a lot of snow on the ground already by 9 a.m., several inches by then. And then we start to watch into the midday and afternoon. This pink on the map shows how warmer air starts to sneak into the atmosphere, but only in the mid layers. The ground is still very cold. These are temperatures forecast by Sunday afternoon only in the teens, but above our heads there could be a layer that's above freezing. So snow falls, melts in that layer, and then refreezes into ice, and that then causes that ice accumulation. Interesting though how the lower eastern shore could actually warm enough that it changes more to a rain down there, and that's why there will be less snow. This should all then taper off before midnight on Sunday night. So you have some time to prepare for that before it comes. You have 2 full days of dry weather, including tonight where we're dropping down into the 30s. It's not so cold with 30 for the overnight low in Baltimore, 29 for Westminster. And then Friday is a chilly day in the 40s, but that's just back to normal for this time of year. Still a good day to get things done. Just be aware that in the evening an Arctic front is going to arrive, so the wind is going to pick up by Friday evening. We'll get some gusts near 35 miles per hour, so you'll want to secure anything you have that could move around in the wind, and then it's going to make it feel a lot colder. So during the day it's breezy, near 40, wind chills in the 30s. Well, look how quickly it gets colder on Friday night. Even by midnight, that wind chill is near 5 degrees. It could drop below 0 with the wind chill by Saturday morning. So first you want to deal with the really cold weather starting Friday night and Saturday. You still have time to prepare for the storm and travel on Saturday because it will be dry during the day. It's really not until after about 10 or 11 on Saturday night that the snow starts, and it's going to be heaviest on Sunday morning before it changes to that ice. So tricky travel through all of Sunday, even Sunday night, and then it's going to take a while for us to clean all this up because look how cold it stays through next week with the temperatures stuck below freezing, possibly through at least next Saturday.